How to use vouchers in grabcar. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use vouchers in grabcar. First, open the Grab application on your mobile device and log in if needed. Then tap on the car option from the home screen. Next, enter your pickup location and destination in the appropriate fields. After that, tap on Choose this pickup to confirm your location. Now select the grabcar 4-seater option or another ride type depending on your preference. Then tap on the Offer button. Here, tap on Use Grab Gifts and enter your voucher code in the provided field. Once done, confirm the code to apply the discount or offer. Proceed to book your ride, and the voucher will be applied to your fare. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.